If you work in sales, marketing, recruiting, or lead generation, you have probably heard about Zoominfo. It is one of the biggest B2B contact databases on the market, but it's also one of the most expensive. So in this video, I will quickly cover what Zoominfo is, its best features, the pros and cons, pricing, expectations, and whether it's actually worth using in 2026. Let's get started. What is Zoominfo? Zoominfo is a B2B data and sales intelligence platform. Companies use it to find business leads, contact decision makers, and build prospect lists for sales outreach. The platform gives you access to business emails, phone numbers, company details, job titles, intent data, and buying signals. It's mainly designed for sales teams, recruiters, marketing agencies, SaaS companies, B2B businesses. If your business depends on outbound sales or lead generation, ZoomInfo is built for that workflow. Main features: massive B2B contact database. The biggest feature is it's a huge database of companies and professionals. You can search by industry, company size, location, revenue, job title, technologies used, hiring activity. This makes it easier to find targeted leads instead of random contacts. Advanced search filters. ZoomInfo's filtering system is one of its strongest points. For example, you can search for marketing managers at SaaS companies with 50 to 200 employees in the United States. The level of targeting is why many sales teams prefer it over simpler lead generation tools. Intent data. ZoomInfo also offers intent data, which helps identify companies that may already be interested in certain products or services. It tracks signals like content engagement, research activity, buying interest. This can help sales teams focus on warmer leads instead of cold outreach. CRM integrations. The platform integrates with tools like Salesforce, HubSpot, Outreach, Apollo, Microsoft Dynamics. This makes it easier to push contacts directly into your sales workflow. Conversation and sales tools. Some plans also include sales automation, call tracking, email tools, conversation intelligence, pipeline insights. So ZoomInfo is becoming more than just a contact database. Pros of ZoomInfo: huge database. ZoomInfo has one of its largest B2B contact databases available. For many industries, especially in the US market, the amount of data is impressive. Powerful lead marketing. The search filters are extremely detailed, which saves time when building prospect lists. Strong integrations. It works well with major CRM and sales tools, making it useful for larger teams. Useful for outbound sales. If your business relies heavily on cold outreach, ZoomInfo can significantly speed up prospecting. Intent data can improve conversions. The buying intent feature helps sales teams focus on leads that are more likely to convert. Cons of ZoomInfo: very expensive. This is probably the biggest downside. ZoomInfo is mainly built for businesses and enterprise teams, not solo creators or small startups. Pricing is usually custom, and many users report paying thousands of dollars per year. Data isn't always perfect. Although the database is large, some contact details can still be outdated or inaccurate. That's common with most lead databases, but it's something to keep in mind. Can feel overwhelming. There are a lot of tools and features inside the platform. For beginners or small businesses, it may feel more complicated than necessary. Best for US based data. ZoomInfo performs best in the United States. International data coverage can be less reliable depending on the region. Who should use ZoomInfo? ZoomInfo is best for B2B sales teams, agencies doing lead generation, recruiters, SaaS companies, enterprise businesses. It may not be ideal for freelancers, small creators, local businesses, beginners with a limited budget. So if you only need simple lead generation, cheaper tools may be enough. Is ZoomInfo worth it? ZoomInfo is one of the most powerful B2B sales intelligence platforms available in 2026. Its biggest strengths are massive contact database, advanced filtering, CRM integrations, intent data, enterprise level sales tools. But the high pricing makes it difficult for smaller businesses to justify. If your company depends heavily on outbound sales and lead generation, ZoomInfo can absolutely be worth it. But for smaller teams, there are more affordable alternatives that may provide better value. Final verdict and conclusion. Overall, Zoominfo is a powerful platform for B2B prospecting and sales intelligence. It's feature rich, highly scalable, and designed for serious sales teams. However, the pricing and complexity may be too much for casual users or small businesses. So, if you need enterprise level lead generation tools, Zoominfo is definitely worth considering. But if you are on a tight budget, you may want to explore simpler alternatives first. And that's all for this video. If you find it helpful and useful, please consider like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.